Greg Flores here, founder of Soul Solutions. Frequently we get calls from homeowners that request pricing on standard size windows, generally after they've been to a big box retailer and they've seen windows on the shelf. I'm here today to let you know that custom window replacement, all the windows that are replaced on a home that is a retrofit application or custom sizes. We manufacture or order our windows down to 1/8 of an inch so that we maximize the size of the window for your specific application. It's important to get as much window in the brick opening or the siding as is allowable so that you minimize the use of sealants around the window to get the maximum benefits of the new energy efficient window standards. If you've been thinking about windows, tired of looking your old windows at your home, but just didn't know who to call, give us a call at 469-708-8151. We'd be happy to talk to you about the window replacement process and what's involved. This is Greg Flores, Soul Solutions. You can find us on the web at ntxsol.com. Thank you again, and give us a call. We'd love to answer any questions that you might have about window replacement.